If you're like most people, you're always on the lookout for ways to make extra money. After all, who couldn't use a little bit more cash? The good news is that there are plenty of side hustles out there that can help you earn some extra money. Some of these side hustles are so lucrative that your banker may start to question where your income is coming from. Hey there, and if you're new, welcome to our channel, where we help you learn to see the income generating opportunities right in front of you. Idea 1. Start a podcast. A podcast can be a great way to earn some extra money on the side. By starting a podcast, you can share your voice and ideas with the world and potentially make money from sponsorships or advertisements. Plus, it's a great way to connect with like-minded people and build a community around your interests. Starting a podcast is relatively easy and doesn't require a lot of expensive equipment. All you need is a good microphone and a quiet place to record. Once you've recorded your first episode, you can upload it to a popular podcasting platform like Spotify or YouTube. From there, you can start promoting your show and building an audience. If you want to help a future business owner just like you find this video, make sure to like and subscribe to help out. Their success just may be in your hands. Idea 2. Start a car detailing business. Starting a car detailing business is a great way to make some extra money. You can start by doing it as a side hustle and eventually turn it into a full-time business. Car detailing is the process of cleaning and polishing the interior and exterior of a car. This includes shampooing the carpets, cleaning the upholstery, polishing the windows, and waxing the paint. A car detailing business can be started with just a few simple tools and supplies. Then you can advertise your services online. Idea 3. Work as a virtual assistant. Working as a virtual assistant is a great side hustle for many reasons. It is a flexible way to earn extra money as you can typically set your own hours and work from home. There is a growing demand for virtual assistants as more and more businesses are looking for ways to save money by outsourcing administrative tasks. Working as a virtual assistant can be a great way to gain experience in various industries, as you will often have the opportunity to work with clients from different fields. Fiverr and Upwork are the best platforms to offer virtual assistant gigs. Idea 4. Tutor students. Tutoring students is a great way to help them learn the material, do well in their classes, and earn some extra cash. As a tutor, you can work with students one-on-one or in small groups. This allows you to tailor your instructions to the need of each student. You can also give students immediate feedback and help them learn at their own pace. In addition, tutoring can be a great way to build your own knowledge and expertise. You can gain a deeper understanding of the material and learn new teaching methods by working with students. Finally, tutoring is a rewarding experience that can have a lasting impact on both students and tutors. Idea 5. Walk dogs or pet sit. Most people who have pets also have to work, which means their furry friends spend a lot of time home alone. Walking dogs is a great way to get some exercise, and it's a great way to meet new people. Plus, dogs always appreciate a good walk. Pet sitting is also a great way to make some extra money. Pet sitting can be a great way to earn some extra cash if you love animals and have spare time. If the owner is up for it, you can even record your experience with their dog and create content on TikTok. Idea 6. Referee. Refereeing can be a great way to earn some extra money. Not only is it a fun and challenging way to stay active, but it also provides for excellent opportunity to meet new people and learn new skills. Most refereeing gigs will require you to have a basic knowledge of the sport in question, so it's a good idea to brush up on the rules before applying for a job. In addition, you'll need to be able to stay calm and impartial under pressure, and have a good understanding of the game to make quick and accurate decisions. However, if you think you have what it takes, then refereeing can be a perfect side gig. Idea 7. Create a YouTube channel. There are so many reasons why people choose to leave their corporate jobs and start their own businesses. For some, it's a matter of wanting to be their own boss and having more control over their own work-life balance. Others may feel stifled by the corporate world and crave the freedom to be creative and innovative. And for many, the lure of potentially making more money is simply too great to resist. If you're considering taking the plunge and leaving your corporate job to start your own business, one option you might want to consider is starting a YouTube channel. YouTube can be a great platform promoting and growing your business, and it's also a relatively low-cost way to get started. Plus, with millions of people around the world watching videos on YouTube every day, you have the potential to reach a large audience. Of course, starting a successful YouTube channel takes hard work, dedication, and creativity. But if you're up for the challenge, it can be an exciting and rewarding way to build your own business. The description below has an affiliate link to a course that provides more information on how to start a successful YouTube channel. Idea 8. Flip furniture. Furniture flipping is a great option if you're looking for a way to make some extra money. It's a relatively low-cost business to start, and you can quickly learn the basics of refinishing and upholstery. Best of all, you can work from home and set your own hours. There's a growing trend of people shopping for vintage and antique furniture, which means there's a good market for well-refinished pieces. With a little hard work and creativity, you can turn old furniture into beautiful showpieces worth significantly more than what you paid. Another advantage of furniture flipping is it is relatively low-risk business venture. Unlike starting a brick-and-mortar store or opening an online shop, there is very little overhead costs associated with this type of business. You can start small and gradually grow your inventory as you see fit. Idea 9. Become a transcriptionist. There are a lot of people out there who hate their 9-to-5 job. If you're one of them, you might consider becoming a transcriptionist. Transcriptionists work from home, setting their own hours and rates. Plus, transcription is a great way to make some extra money. Of course, becoming a transcriptionist isn't for everyone. You need to have strong listening skills and be able to type quickly and accurately. You also need to be able to stay focused for long periods of time, but transcription can be a great way to escape the 9-to-5 grind if you have what it takes. You can use software like Victory to generate transcripts of audio and video files to cut down on time. Idea 10. Start a blog. It's no secret that many people are unhappy with their jobs. They feel like they're stuck in a rut, working long hours for little pay with no appreciation. If this sounds like you, you might want to consider starting your own business. But where do you start? One other option is to create a blog. Blogging is a great way to be your own boss and set your own hours, and you don't need a lot of money to get started. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Plus, there's no limit to what you can write about. You can share your hobbies, thoughts on current affairs, or favorite recipes. You can even use a writing assistant like Jasper to write content quicker. Idea 11. Become a bookkeeper. Becoming a bookkeeper is a great way to use your financial skills to help businesses keep track of their money. Bookkeepers are responsible for recording all of a company's financial transactions, including sales, purchases, and payments. They also prepare financial reports that summarize the financial activity of the company. To become a bookkeeper, you will need to have strong math skills and be able to use accounting software. This is a great way to make money from home, and you can set your own hours. Idea 12. Teach English online. Anyone with a good command of the English language and a laptop can make some extra money by teaching English online. You only need internet connectivity and a quiet place to conduct your class. You can choose to teach English to kids or adults, depending on your preferences. Many platforms connect online English teachers with students from all over the world, or you can sell courses on Udemy. The pay is typically decent, and you can work from home in comfort. So if you're looking for an extra way to make some money, why not give it a try? Idea 13. Sell print-on-demand products. Selling print-on-demand products is a great business. It's easy to get started, you don't need much money to get started, and you can quickly start making sales and earning money. The best part about selling print-on-demand products is that you can sell them over and over again. There are endless possibilities when it comes to selling print-on-demand products. You can sell t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. The sky is the limit when it comes to what you can sell. If you're looking for a great way to make money, selling print-on-demand products is a great option. Check out our video on print-on-demand to get started. Idea 14. Become a freelance writer. There are many benefits to freelancing, including the ability to set your own hours, choose your own projects, and work from anywhere in the world. However, one of the most appealing aspects of freelancing is the potential to earn some significant income. According to a recent survey, the average freelance writer earns $35 per hour. And while making a good wage working as a freelance writer is possible, it is important to remember that successful freelance requires hard work and dedication. You can utilize writing tools like Jasper, Surfer SEO, and Grammarly to help you write better and faster. Idea 15. Invest in cryptocurrency. The phrase cryptocurrency refers to digital or virtual currency that is encrypted. It is difficult to forge a coin because of this security feature. One of the primary benefits of utilizing cryptocurrency is that it is not generated by a central authority, making it theoretically immune to government involvement and manipulation. Another advantage of cryptocurrencies is their decentralization, which is independent of government or financial institution supervision. Investing in cryptocurrencies is fraught with danger due to tremendous volatility of their prices. Despite this, many individuals have benefited substantially from investing in cryptocurrencies. Investing in cryptocurrency may be advantageous for those willing to accept the risk, and trust me, there are risks, so be aware of those. While some of these gigs may be a bit unorthodox, they could definitely help you out in a bind. If you're looking for ways to bring in more cash, then these side hustles are definitely worth considering. Make ssure that you've hit the subscribe button and turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on how to make money traveling.